Hi, everybody. This is Joe Jurek, and welcome back to my real estate investing adventures. I'm off in the Tahoe again, having a good time. I'm out and about on the East Coast. But what I want to ask you about today, what did you do today to help move your business forward? Did you do anything today? If you're doing real estate investing, have you called any realtors? Have you called any for sale by owners? Have you found any cash buyers? Have you posted any ads? Have you passed out any business cards? Have you put out any flyers or bandit signs? Each day can get you a little bit closer to where you want to be. So what I want you to think about, I know sometimes when the weekend comes up, you want to have fun, and nothing wrong with it. But here's the thing. If you devote a little bit of time to your real estate business, what can that help you next week and the week beyond? So I would like to challenge everybody out there. Write out 3 things you can do this weekend to help you get closer to next real estate deal, and just go ahead and take action and do it. Well, I hope everybody has a good weekend. Take care. Go make your dreams a reality. Believe and achieve. Bye-bye.